Oh, it's still running. Oh my gosh. It's kind of funny how when you're working on your boat, all of a sudden all your neighbors want to talk about sailboats. Look at this beautiful moon over her hole tonight. Isn't that beautiful? It's just so nice. So I I don't know if I can make that brighter. All right, and so it begins. Stacking up stuff into the garage because I don't want it to walk away in the middle of the night. So yes, even though today was my day off, I managed to get a little bit done. Look how nice those reflectors show up at night. Isn't that great? See there? You can see the stern one. It's exactly what I want. No one's going to be able to ignore us. So yeah, tonight I got trees trimmed up. One more to trim right there. And then I got the rest of this all trimmed. I'll have to do this tomorrow, clearly. But anyway, all trimmed up. Isn't that nice? I got frogs coming out. Yeah. So I can move her back and forth now and not encumber anything. And then last night before I went to bed, I did take off the bolts to the prop and try to take the prop off. I took a big 4x4 and banged on it, and I could not get it off. So I thought, if I can't get it off, the bad guys can't get it off. And then I went ahead and threw a cable around it, just because it looks difficult now. So, all right, big girl. It's time to go to bed. I had a hot bath today, and oh my goodness, that felt really good. My hands got so many little wounds and cuts on them and busted knuckles that I took the day to kind of recover all of that too and grow another level of skin. All right, well, I did take my yellow straps off because I don't think she needs to have those on while she's parked. I really don't think she's going to go anywhere, and I want to protect it from UV, and the best way to do that is just take it off the boat. So right now the goal is to get everything possible off the boat because Saturday and Sunday is going to be warm and sunny, 80 degrees. You know what that means? Power washing. So yeah. So this is the first little bit that's going to come in and get sorted and find a place to land. And like I said, and so it begins. The stuff shuffle. That's cool. I'm really stoked. And like, listen to this. The sails, I've been told, are close to new. They're very crinkly, very crispy. Oh man, you guys. I got a diamond in the rough right here is what happened. Oh, and there you go. There is my brand new radio. I got too many band-aids on it. Won't let me zoom. So right there, that white box is my new radio. And it's got a Coast Guard transceiver and everything. And that's going on the boat. So, oh man, I'm so happy. I'm going to have fun tearing this apart and getting her cleaned up in the next couple of days. So I got to get all the fragile boat stuff out. I'm going to temporarily find a place to mount all the controls, and then I'm going to protect those from water with some plastic. And then I need to look at how the boat drains so that I can manage to pump water out as I power wash. So that's tomorrow, day 2. Today was take a bath and recover day, but I got the trees trimmed and I moved a few things around. Oh, and I talked to the neighbor about sailing. I suppose I could see more of that in the future. All right, everybody. I'll talk to you later. Good night.